day today. Because we're running on recaps now.
What's this guy doing?
Penske pulling something interesting. Oh no, look, it's not officially Penske anymore.
Is it a food truck?
Yeah, funnel cakes.
He's headed for the county fair.
Fair. Whoop! What just fell over? Something just fell over. Okay, there's a pilot over there.
Yep. Lots of work.
There's a Loves over here.
Where we're going.
And I've been here before. I remember Sofidel. I think they're Italian. I looked them up before. Italian toilet paper or something? I don't know. Why would they be making Italian toilet paper? I guess I gotta look them up again.
Fancy napkins.
Fancy napkins?
That's your name on it.
And I don't remember.
If your name is Sofidel.
Alright. Let's see.
Parking. A big circle. Not so much the back side. So this side with the grass is what we want. Everybody's already parked.
Oh, Taco John's. What? Tacos? Because we now have a serious food shortage, we decided not to stop at Walmart. And oh, yes, lovely parking places. Grass in the back.
Yeah. Oh,
Huh? Oh, that's good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Left side of reefer.
Yeah.
Bobtail there. So don't have anybody on this side. Because I got to cook outside the driver's side tonight.
Oh, it's liver night.
So this is a good spot for that.
Liver night. Oh,
Mind you, that's a straight back.
yeah. You want to go over there?
No.
No? Okay.
All good there, huh?
So far, so good.
Hit the load truck.
Nope. Yep.
Straighter there.
No? Ta-da! Nice. Okay, well, here we are. It's just after 3 p.m. Really crazy to stop so early. I'm not used to that with you at all, Kevin. Neither are the dogs. They're like, what's going on here?
You deserve an easy day today.
Oh, really?
You do.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks.
You've had a rough time.
Yeah.
Dog wants to drive the truck.
I'm doing okay now, hon. That first day was pretty rough.
Yeah. The dog wants to drive the truck. Are you in charge? Are you the boss? Yeah, she likes being in charge, you know. She's got that personality there.
Oh, yeah?
I want to drive the truck. I want to tell us where to go. Yeah, here's what we're having for dinner. Where's my treats? Here's the treats.
Yeah, they're getting breakfast with their dinner. They're going to get my breakfast with their dinner.
Oats for supper. Wow. Good deal. What do you see out there? Want to go explore? Want to go for a walk? Are you ready to go? Yeah. You want to go for a walk? Okay. I know you want to come up here too.
I'm going to put her on my lap.
Yeah, you want to come up on mommy's lap. making a turn. Did you find your stop? See that? Yeah. Check your mirror. Check your mirrors. Read your signs. Use your signal.
Yeah, instead of self-driving trucks, maybe we could teach the dogs to drive the truck.
Puppy driving.
I mean, they're very smart.
Puppy driving. Drive the truck. Drive the big truck. Just relax. Just relax. There you go. Good girl.
Too funny. Grace is wondering what you guys are doing over there.
She wants in on it. She wants a driving lesson. Come on, hang on to the thing. Will you? Hang on to the thing.
Trying it out.
Electric frying pan. Liver night.
Liver night?
I don't want to cook liver in the truck because it'll smell.
Yeah, it actually
It'll be
smells
hard
really,
to get the smell out.
Actually smells really good out here.
That's all right. Smells good out here, mixed with the diesel exhaust.
Yeah, it smells good.
Well, that's a new culinary olfactory sensation.
Yeah, that's the secret ingredient, maybe. Anyway, how nice that the guy here is
What do you got? What do you got?
Taco John's. I'm gonna try out.
Liver for Tanya tonight.
No.
Are you sharing this with the puppies?
No, are you sharing your liver?
Yeah, they're gonna get some.
Aren't you nice? But
They
you didn't
like
have enough to share with me.
You see this? Feel the blood that comes off? Put that aside and I'll mix that in with their food tomorrow morning for breakfast.
Oh boy.
Roasted
Well,
blood.
we didn't have enough food for both of us.
Taco John?
No,
Oh,
the
liver.
liver. So, but
You would have eaten it, right?
I was gonna say, I do eat liver. I like liver. Not when you turn it into shoe leather, but in general, I used to really like liver. I was gonna say how nice that the bobtail is parked way back, so you have all this room here.
Wasn't that considerate?
Yeah, you don't have exhaust right onto your.
No, just that guy's.
Yeah. Open it and see what I got.
A little takeout tray. It's hot. Looks like it's all green stuff.
It's a taco, no, it's a steak bowl.
Steak bowl.
So it has rice and beans and
You got a hot dinner
pico de
there.
gallo and
Yeah,
lettuce
yeah.
and steak. You can get chicken or steak. So I'm gonna go into the truck from the other side. I'm gonna have to kick Kiva out of my seat.
Don't you touch her. You eat out here in the grass.
That looks pretty good, actually. We don't usually eat fast food, but we have pretty much run out of food and didn't feel like stopping at Walmart with only 2 days to go. So we're eating up leftovers, and then tonight Kevin's having his liver, and I really wanted something, more substantial than canned beans and beets. So looks good. It's time for us to go have a shower. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it the thumbs up if you did. Put your comments and questions below. What do you do when you start running low on food? And subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and wish us good luck because there's a storm coming in. See you in the next video. With love from Kevin and Tanya and the girls. Bye.